So today I'm going to be sharing with you my quick and easy look using only 5 makeup products. We're going to emphasize our features. We're also going to deal with our problematic areas, just using 5 products. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Hey everyone, it's Kat and welcome to my channel. Today, like I said, we are going to do a quick and easy makeup look using only 5 makeup products. Now, the beauty of this is that you already have these products in your collection, and I'm going to teach you some of my tricks that I use that really makes me feel pulled together if I need to get ready on the fly. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. How you doing? So yeah, I really wanted to share this video with you for a really long time because I know there's some of us, we work from home and we just, we don't want to put on makeup, but maybe feel a little bit pulled together, and maybe we have to run out to the store or just, have that private time of just being with yourself and putting on makeup. Like I said, we're only going to use 5 products, but I'm going to share with you which type of products to use to bring out your best features. So, as you can see, I have absolutely nothing on my face. I don't even have my eyebrows. I found some more gray eyebrow hair today. I know, it just keeps coming. Should I pluck the gray hair? So you're probably wondering what skin tint I'm going to be using today. I'm actually not going to use a skin tint. What I'm using today is going to be a concealer, but we all know that concealers tend to run a little thicker in consistency than foundations and skin tints. So a specific concealer that you need to find, that you probably already have in your collection, is a thinner, runnier consistency of concealer. And you want to pick a shade that's 1 shade lighter than your actual skin tint or your foundation. This is going to be used on your problematic areas where you need to not necessarily hide, but you want to brighten up that area. And my favorite concealer in doing this method is from IT Cosmetics. It's the Bye Bye Dark Spots Corrector and Serum Concealer. But I found this particular concealer has a great consistency, doesn't settle into your fine lines, and it just provides a beautiful light to medium coverage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the concealer and I'm going to put it in normal places, but I'm just going to use a tiny dot right through there because I do have a little bit of discoloration under my eyes. I do tend to get red under my nose, so I want to apply it there. And I do have, some dark spots through here, right through there, just ever so slightly. And I may want to just put a couple of dots through there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that marinate on my skin. Another great concealer to do this trick with is from Physicians Formula. You know I rave about this drugstore concealer. It is their Butter Glow concealer. Same idea. They actually kind of look the same. Same type of consistency, very light consistency that's going to lay beautifully on your complexion. So I'm just going to use my fingertips to tap that in. So we're going to minimize our problematic areas, which is the dark circles under the eyes, and then taking my finger right through here. As far as these issues are concerned, I'm just lightly tapping it in. I'm not blending it. And this shade, Light Warm 23, it really can double as a foundation / skin tint. But yeah, I find this concealer is fantastic under the eyes for spot concealing. And then I'm going to take a firm brush, and this is my concealer brush, and just tapping it in. And if you want, you can go over the lids. And I'm stippling it in. I'm not blending, I'm tapping it in. That way I'm getting that coverage. I've covered up my problematic areas, which is the redness under my nose, the darkness under my eyes, and just a little, a little bit of hyperpigmentation. I can deal with it, that's fine, but sometimes I have some dark spots through there that I may want to just minimize. It's not about covering up, it's about minimizing. And already, my complexion looks improved. I didn't add any texture to my skin. It's not looking heavy. You still see everything, but it's a little more put together. It's a little more smooth. So yeah, there's your complexion. Just kidding. There's more. I do like using different types of formulas for for my complexion. I like using cream products. I love using powdered products. For bronzer, I like using a matte bronzer, which is a powder. And today I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil matte bronzer in light. Find a great matte bronzer that's going to automatically smooth your complexion. A great one is L'Oreal's matte bronzer, the Infallible. My favorite right now, it's a little pricey, but it's so worth it, is from Too Faced. It is their Chocolate Soleil matte bronzer in light. No shimmer, no glitter, nothing. I find this formula is so smooth on the skin that I don't need to use a finishing powder or anything like that. So I'm putting some warmth back into the skin, but this just glides on and I'm tapping it in, and instantly my complexion is warmer and it's smoother. But see how it just brings back that life, that warmth into my skin. And I'm looking almost human again. We're also going to use this bronzer as an eyeshadow. Super convenient. You're going to take a fluffy brush, and what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and go above the crease and add a little bit more definition. Wake up the eyes so your eyes will pop. And if you have blue eyes, your bronzer is really going to make your blue eyes pop. It's not only convenient, but it's quick and easy to do. And it looks so natural. There's no shimmer, there's no glitter, just definition, and that's what I love. So yes, definitely use your bronzer as your eyeshadow. I like to use a cream blush, and since we've already gone in with a matte powdered bronzer, I want to go in with a cream blush that's going to add a little more dewiness to the complexion, a little more softness and glowiness. So I like to go in with the cream blush, and one of my favorites is from Merit. It is their cream blush. Now, specifically in the shade Apres. Holy cow, that is super dark. The thing about using a cream blush that has a significant amount of pigment is how you apply. So if I just want to wake up my skin, I just take a couple of dots and blend it. This is so pretty. And at the same time, I'm hydrating my complexion. Now, if you're new to my channel, I do have normal to dry skin. It's been running a little oilier during the summer, during the heat. Oh my gosh, our air conditioning unit went out over the weekend. Bad timing because it's gotten so hot here. It got up into the 90s, but thankfully we got it fixed. Monday morning, they came out at 8 o'clock, they fixed it, and I didn't have to get a new unit. But yeah, it was pretty hot. Oh, see how applying this cream balmy blush really adds the dewiness back into your complexion, the glowiness. You're not adding texture to your skin. And I might have applied too much, but you can always blend it out. And this has great pigment that lasts all day. I like to use it on my lips as well. I don't know if it's safe, but this is such a gorgeous shade. And all I do is just tap it in right there. It's so creamy, it's so balmy. That's why it's important to pick out a cream blush that's a little deeper. You control the pigment on the cheeks, and then you're gonna have a stunning lip. But look at that, it just instantly wakes up my whole face. This is a fabulous cream blush. This is the Merit cream blush in the shade Apres. Not Apres, but Apres. I think Apres means after. Now, of course, eyebrows. I always start out every video with eyebrows. It's just something that I naturally put on every single day. You guys, I put on my eyebrows every single day. Why? I don't know, because it actually frames my eyes. I feel like my face is a little more emphasized that you can actually see. But to me, eyebrows are super important because they frame your face, they frame your eyes. My favorite easy way to apply my brows is with a simple eyebrow pencil. This is one of my all-time favorites. It's from the Drugstore. It's LA Girl's Slim Shady. And of course you've got the spoolie. And I don't have a lot of brow hair, but hey, it makes me feel good to brush what I have. So I just pretty much go the natural line and just fill in where it's sparse. It has such a nice point. It's very slender, so I can easily carve out my eyebrows. Now I'll go back and forth from one brow to the next to make sure they're even. And basically just filling in what I don't have. And I'm using an extremely light hand, barely any pressure. And then I just go over it with my spoolie and soften it up. See how quick and easy it was? You're just filling in the bare spots, and then by using the spoolie, you're just dispersing that color and keeping those brows tame. And of course, the last product that I like to use is a good mascara. Nothing thickening or too heavy. I like to go in with one light coat of mascara. And today, of course, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. And you're probably going, what, no eyeliner? When you apply your mascara in a certain way, starting at the very base and then wiggling it through, you're gonna give that automatic eyeliner look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in at the base, wiggle, and go up. You really want to hit the base of your lashes so you get that automatic eyeliner effect. Base, wiggle up. It takes a little more effort, but I promise you the results are beautiful. And it's just a quick little coat. Once you get the wiggle down, then you can apply the mascara and comb it through. This is such a great mascara. It lengthens, it doesn't clump, and it really is just gonna give you that natural lash. But see the difference? If you wiggle at the base and bring it up, you're gonna automatically give that eyeliner effect. That's actually quite subtle, and you don't have to use eyeliner. And here we are with the final look. 5 products, that's it. Now, if you want, you can always use a translucent powder or setting powder to set your makeup, especially if you tend to run a little oily. But I just wanted to do a really simple everyday look where you feel pulled together, you have color in your face, you're emphasizing your best features, but also dealing with problematic areas and hiding those dark circles, maybe those little dark spots that you have. But I think this look is so pretty, so natural, so easy to do. Just remember that the products that you use, you already have in your arsenal. Remember to use a thinner consistency of concealer to use all over and spot conceal. Use a matte bronzer to smooth out the complexion, and a cream blush so you can use it both on your cheeks to give more dewiness and juiciness to your complexion, and as a lip. But thanks so much for hanging out with me today and letting me share my easy everyday look using only 5 makeup products. What is one makeup product that you absolutely have to wear every single day that you just don't feel right without? Me, it's eyebrows. I tell you, it's the eyebrows, man. I don't know why. I just feel like I feel more pulled together if I have some eyebrows on. But yes, let me know down in the comments. I would love to know. But thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you had fun. I know I did. And if you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing. I would love it if you'd be a part of our family. So have a great day. Mwah. Mahal kita. I love you. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.